Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start by confirming hardware and choosing virtualization. Install VirtualBox or VMware because they create the macOS environment Xcode needs. Once done, obtain a compatible macOS image or use a cloud macOS provider. This avoids compatibility errors. Next, create a VM with EFI, allocate 4+ cores and 8+ GB RAM, and attach the Mac OS image. Make sure to enable virtualization in BIOS. After Mac OS boots, sign into the App Store so you can download. Once your VM runs, proceed with Mac OS setup and sign into your Apple ID. This links App Store access. Configure the VM disk as apps and install suggested drivers for better performance. Then open the App Store, search for Xcode, and begin the download. Note it's large, so expect time. After installation, launch Xcode to install additional command line tools and components. You need these for building. If building errors occur, check Xcode preferences and toolchain selection. You now move code into the VM using a shared folder, SCP, or clone from Git. This keeps history intact. Open the project in Xcode, choose a simulator or connected device, set the build scheme, and run. For signing and provisioning, add your Apple developer account and preferences and let Xcode manage profiles. If the build fails, restart the simulator, reinstall command line tools, or increase VM resources. As a key tip, snapshot the VM before major changes to roll back quickly.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.